While you can follow Twitter by simply reading the updates posted by others, it's a lot more interesting when you actively participate by composing and posting your own tweets. As you'll see in this video, it's really quite simple. But before we get started, I want to mention some terminology. A comment that you post on Twitter is now officially known as a tweet. For years, however, it was officially called an update. Now, I've been using Twitter for over 3 years now, and I use the terms tweet and update interchangeably. Although I'll try really hard in these videos to refer to them as tweets, I'm sure I'm going to slip. Either way, it's important to remember that the terms tweet and update refer to the same thing on Twitter. So let's create a tweet. I'm on the home page now for our sample account, and I want to create a tweet, so I'm just going to type it right in this What's Happening box. So let's do that. So I'm telling my Twitter friends what I was up to this weekend. And I'll just type that text in there. And as I type it in, it's just a regular old edit box. I can correct it as I go along. I can also click somewhere if I want to insert some text. It just works like any other edit box. You'll also see that as I type, this number here where it now says 80, that number counted down to show me how many characters I had left. Now with the text in there that I want to appear, I just click the tweet button. And what happens is that the tweet appears here on my home page, and it also appears in a number of different places throughout Twitter. Of course, it's also going to appear in the public timeline, but if you went to the public timeline to see it, you probably wouldn't see it because there's thousands of tweets going up there every minute, and you probably won't get there quick enough to see it, so I wouldn't even bother trying. But it will go into the public timeline. It'll also go into the home pages for anybody who happens to be following you. So in this particular case, I've already got 3 followers. So if I went to one of those followers pages, I would see my tweet there. And to show you that, I'm going to switch over to another browser window where I'm logged in as another user. I'm logged in my own personal account, and I happen to follow Stacy. My homepage is showing here, and Stacy's tweets has come in since I showed this page. So what I can do is I can either click where it says 4 new tweets, which I'll do, or what I could do also is just refresh that page. So when I look at this, sure enough, here's Stacy's tweet. So I'm going to go back now to Stacy's account. Another place that you'll see this is on your profile page. So if I go to the profile page for Stacy, I'm going to see there's the tweet. All of her tweets would appear here. She's only got 1 tweet. This is the most recent one, and it's right here. Let's go back to the home page now. So in review, when you click tweet, your update appears in a number of places. You'll find it on your profile page. Your home page is what we're seeing here. It would also appear on the public timeline, and it also appears on the home pages for anyone who follows you. It even appears in search results. For example, if someone searched for the word Santa Barbara, because those words are in my tweet, this tweet would appear. So as you can see, posting a tweet is easy. Just type in what you want to say and click tweet. Your tweet appears on Twitter almost immediately.